This one's going to be on viewing free tools and software. It's going to be very similar to all the series of viewing a certain resource. We're just going to go into each individual one just in case you haven't watched it, the other ones. But here we go. Viewing free tools and software. So you're going to go to View Resources, click on Free Tools and Software. That's going to take you to this table right here. Up here is where we have the sorting features alphabetically. Newest, what's been added most recently, a rating. If people have applied a rating to it, it's the overall average of ratings from all users and anonymous people. And then the top My Links could be even more valuable in that when someone wants to bookmark something, they'll add it as a My Link and save it as a registered user. Be able to save that, and you can see the ones that have been added as a top My Link more than any of the other ones, starting at the highest, 500 going all the way to 0 or whatever. That could be more telling of maybe how valuable a tool or resource is. We're going to go back to alpha. Keyword is a place for you to search the title and search the brief description. If you kind of know what you're looking for, then you can do that. Maybe you don't know what you're looking for. Maybe here's the environment. What this means is that you have the computer, internet, and the portable. And the computer is something that you download to your computer. The internet is something that's just used within the browser. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter if it's a Mac or a PC or things like that. And then portable is another way of storing it on your USB, and you can read more about that and just plugging it in via like a flash drive or something like that and running a program to your computer. So let's go with an internet source here. Environment, operating system. If it's always an internet, it's going to be all three. It won't matter. It could be Linux, things like that. Type. Let's go ahead and let's look for something that's having to do with images. I want to work with images, so I'm going to select type of image, and I'm going to click apply. This is going to filter through all of the, right now, over 100 free tools and software. So I'm down to 7 results now. Now it's a little bit more manageable, and I can look through it and see if something has what I really want. Here on each little row, we've got the title, Falcon Image Markup. Okay, so this is where you can go and you can see the basic page of it that has almost all the same information, maybe a little bit more, like the brief descriptions in here. You can rate it, give it a rating. You can go to the URL here. You can add it as a link. You can share it, things like that. But most of the time, people are just going to stay on this table page. You'll see environment of internet, operating system that it works for. To type image. If you want to view the web page, you can just click right here. It'll take you directly to this tool, and then you can use it from there, and then you can close out the tab and you're back where you are. That's kind of a way of seeing if it's something of value, things like that. You can give it a rating, you can give it an awesome, and then maybe you don't want it to be awesome anymore, so you just cancel it. If you're a registered user, you have a My Link to add it or remove it, and then you can also share it. Like one that's pretty cool, Zoom it. Maybe I'll just go ahead and share it on Facebook. I'm going to type just Zoom it. And I'm going to go ahead and click share. And then I've shared it on Facebook, and so my other friends can find it, things like that. When you come across something really cool, that's a good way to share it and let people know about it. Let's go ahead and we'll take everything back to any and apply. And now you'll notice here at the bottom we've got a couple pages to skip through, and you can just go to each page, or you can go to next or last. Maybe you don't know anything, you just want to just browse through and see everything. That's how you do it, and this is how you view free tools and software at notlb.com.